everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's quick video is on my wonderful Wonder Woman tiara, and I'm hoping this video will act as inspiration for some of you out there who, like me, are newbies of all things cosplay. As you can see, it's literally made from some cheap black card and paint. Ignore the string, I will be putting something a little fancier on it at a later date. No foam was needed for this project, meaning no additional purchases of contact cement or plaster dip were required. This is something you will have to consider when working with a medium like foam. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, please feel free to leave a comment below. Using reference photos, I began creating my pattern for the tiara out of paper. I folded the paper in half as I found this was easier to create a symmetrical pattern. Next, using the patterns I just created, I began cutting out the pieces on the black card. Once the pieces were cut out, it was time to stick them together. I did add an additional step as I decided to recycle some plastic I had laying around the home. I thought this added a nice texture to my tiara, however this is optional. Because I used an additional texture, I did have to apply some black paint to create an even base colour. As soon as I applied the gold paint and additional details, I sealed my tiara with Mod Podge matte water-based sealer.